What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I was gonna make a video today talking about how AMC is seeing another solid day. Yesterday we saw a decent day. Today we expected to see something decent as well. Just to see the continuation of the green movement, the more bullish momentum that we could see in AMC. I was hoping to see that. But I decided, you know what? We're starting to see it fall down a little bit. I don't want to sit here and be too premature in recording this video because I'm recording it at 2 o'clock. We still have 2 hours for the rest of the market, and we've seen things happen, a lot of things happen in a lot less time. So I'm not going to come out and put a video about AMC and how great it's doing, and then all of a sudden things start to fall down, and then posting that video is like, is it really doing great? So honestly, no. It's not doing the best that it could. We could see things absolutely skyrocket, especially with the amount of shorts that we have here. But as we've had conversations before on this channel and live streams on my main channel as well, just talking about how AMC or the hedge funds won't let AMC win, won't let AMC investors win. It's just not something that they typically do. And we know that to be a problem. So we're trying to fight as hard as we can to see that win. And the best case scenario would be for the business to come out on top. Now, I shared a video yesterday before we get into the details of this video. I shared a video yesterday talking about how it was the largest revenue week in 103 years, which is absolutely phenomenal to see that positivity. And now we're kind of sharing on more of the negative side by talking about the short interest. So it could be negative the way that you take it, but also could be positive if you look at it as a stronger squeeze as the short interest goes up. So before we get into this, guys, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description. It does support the channel, it supports me, and I greatly appreciate it. But let's talk about AMC for a little bit. Again, we talked about this 103-year record for revenue for a week, and it looks phenomenal to see that. That's positive news that we can see. But again, on the negative side, or positive side, depending on how you want to look at it, when it comes to the short interest, things are looking a little bit different there. So I wanted to go through that data, and let me go ahead and bring that up on the screen. As you can see here, make sure you guys hit that like button. But we can see that if we scroll down here and look at the amount of shorts that we're going through in the last couple of days, we've seen it kind of lower than what it has been, because typically it hovers around 50 to 60% short in a day on normal volume, right? Where you see the days prior to the last couple or last few days, we're seeing 56%, 53, 56, 54, 57, 63, and then it goes down to 38. And now you're seeing 46 and 48 and 49. So somewhere around that 50% short in a day, still not great. Even if it's 30%, it's still not great. You don't want to see a heavy amount of shorts, even though you're going to see shorts. You're going to see shorts because that's natural movement. That's natural flows to the markets. That's natural flows to an investment. You're going to see shorts. Even I go in short positions. It's just a normal thing to have happen with day traders and swing traders. So you're going to see probably 10, 20%, but seeing up in the 30, 40, 50, 60% that's going through in shorts, that seems to be a little bit excessive. And not all of them are held for a longer period of time. That's why you're not seeing that translate to short interest. It's something to where you're shorting it and then you end up recovering that right from the start, because you short it, you recover it, it goes up again, you short it, you recover it, and so on and so forth. You're playing it as if it's a day trade or if it's a swing trade throughout the day or throughout the multiple days. But if we also look at short interest, we finally reached that level of 30% short. It's at 30.07, as you can see up on the screen here, which is 18.9% increase over the last 3 months. So the short interest of free float has been going up, which is not necessarily the best situation in the world. We want to see that decrease, which means they're covering their shorts. We're seeing the success on our side. But the more that they short, the more that they're doubling down, the more that they're adding to the negative side of it. Now, again, like I said, we can look at it as a positive and say, hey, this makes the short squeeze a lot stronger. Or we can look at it as a negative and say, it's just going to take that much longer to see that short squeeze happen. Or they're trying to, instead of us squeeze them out, they're trying to squeeze us out with the fact that they just have endless money that they can continue to short as much as they possibly can. So it's definitely a little bit of a tricky situation and maybe an issue to some, but might not be an issue to others. Let me know what you're feeling down below, what your comments are in the comment section there. But in other news, let's go into what the actual stock is doing. So currently, the stock is up about 2%, and this is as of 2:03 p.m. I'm not saying that it's going to be up because it looks like it's trending down from $5.08 down to $5.02, and it's continuing to drop down. Hopefully, it bounces off of the 200 EMA. We haven't seen it below the 200 EMA since somewhere around 1040, and then it started to increase. Actually, probably before that, seeing it somewhere around 1010 or so, and it stayed above the 200 EMA, above the VWAP for quite some time, and now you're seeing it start to fall back down and just actually slightly surpass the 200 EMA as we are speaking here. So sitting at a low of $5, it's showing that the overall percentage and the overall price is coming down. So seeing a low today of $4.82, open price of $4.91, and a high of $5.08, and currently again sitting at about $5.01. We are seeing this still lower than the average volume. Obviously, we want to see way more volume, but there's a lot of retail traders that are already invested into it and not looking to buy more. When it comes to the options plays, I'm sure there's a lot of people that are playing options, but when it comes to standard buys, longs, and shorts, we can see that we're not seeing a crazy amount of volume that is going through for AMC. Eventually, we'll see something big, but right now we are not. So the goal for me, at least the more, let me go ahead and open this up a little bit. The more short-term goal for me would be somewhere around that, as you can see here, hopefully you can see it, $11.31 up to the 200 EMA. If we're looking at the monthly look, I want to see it break that level, but obviously we're way far away from that point. So we just need to make sure that we're comfortable, we're moving, we have consistency. But again, if they want to control it a certain way, they're going to control it a certain way. So I don't know how you guys feel about how AMC is trending right now, but I feel as though we're going to see things that start to make moves. Will the short squeeze happen? Probably not, but we are going to see it make moves. So if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment down below, and let me know what you're thinking about AMC and where it's going. And also make sure you check out some of the links that are down there as well. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.